Make a great choice today with the 2013 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, sunroof wind deflector, driver illuminated vanity mirror, tire pressure monitor, four-wheel disc brakes. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
We're located on Route 38 in beautiful Maple Shade, New Jersey, or online at fiatofmapleshade.com.